marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 5:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Indiana Harbor, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Etu Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Excuse me. Sorry about that.